Hi, in this video we will see how we can auto-fit column weight in Excel. So this is on sample Excel sheet, and here we are seeing that the column weight is not equal. Like for this case there is much space, and B also there is much space, and for this column G and the space is not enough to fit this text. So how we can auto format everything, like every column, easily? So it's very simple and easy. To format the weight of this column, at first we need to select the column. So I'm going to select the column, and then the column will be selected, and then we have to move our cursor at the end edge of this column. So once we move our cursor at the end edge of this column, the cursor will be changed like this. And then when the cursor is changed like this, then just double click and then the column will be auto formatted. So in this way we can do other column settings also, other column format also. Like for this case I am going to select this column by pressing the column header, and then I moved my cursor at the end of this column, and the cursor position changed, the cursor outlook changed, and then I'm just going to double click and then the column is expanded. And in this way we can easily auto fit the Excel columns very easily. Thank you guys for watching the video.